Hey, welcome back everybody. This is episode 7. Today we're going to be adding new soil to the beds. Alright, you gotta work on that weightlifting. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some in here, we'll put the other bag in here. Now this one, Scout, get out of there. Sugi Scout is not allowed in the beds. It's gonna be tricky because again, I didn't really think this through real well and I put the grids down already, but we'll make do. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, it's looking pretty good so far. This is a really big bed, and so it's spread pretty thin, but it does look better. We're going to use the action hoe now and see if we can kind of till it into the soil a little bit better.
Where's the regular head? Oh, there.
Yeah, that works really well. It's really soft and well turned over. I mean, this started out being pretty much rock hard. Now it's, it's several inches of soft soil. This is great. At least I think it is. Because again, we really don't know what we're doing. Okay, this is what I was talking about in episode 1, I think. We were talking about the soil. This is what the ground is like around here.
What, is that clay?
This is clay.
Ooh, can
You can see how nasty it is.
Sculpting with that?
You actually can, but it's a mess. It doesn't...
Sculpt well?
Yeah, it's very dense. It doesn't let water through very well. So we got rid of this for the most part and got nice good soil. Hopefully that's going to work real well. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Big rock. Oh. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done with this one. It looks good. This one's going to be a little tricky because I already put the grid down. So I'm not really sure how we're gonna do it, but I guess I'll just dump it, and if they come off, we'll just redo it. No big deal. Right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it.
You get dirt. You get dirt.
Okay, so we're spreading out the dirt. The grid is definitely causing a bit of a problem. So when you try this at home, definitely get your soil totally ready before you put anything in it.
What are those? I've been waiting.
Oh, okay. I put these in a couple days ago just to get them out of the way. These are cages for the tomatoes. This is where I'm going to put the tomato plants. And the cages are used for tomato plants because they vine. They can't really support themselves. So the idea is that they're going to grow up the cages.
Are they going to get like this high?
Probably, yeah. I mean, that one's too small. I don't...
Are they sturdy?
These are. That one's not very sturdy. It's too little. But we'll see how it goes. I purposely put the plan to put the tomatoes here because this is the north side of the garden. So I didn't want the big tomato plants to cast shade on the other plants. So this is the south side. So we'll have all the lower plants here, and then these big tall ones over here, so they don't block the sun for the rest of the guys.
Big brain.
Big brain thinking. All right.
I'm gonna need a shower.
Okay, this is interesting. There's like little green pellets in here. I'm assuming that's probably some kind of fertilizer.
Oh. Uh-oh.
All right, we lost one of the strings, but that's okay. It's kind of weird to paper dirt. Yeah, here's another example of a big chunk of clay. I don't know how we missed this one. You can see how nasty that is. I'm gonna throw that away. That was a lot more work than I expected to be because we discovered that we originally didn't do a very good job on this bed. It was the first one we did. Didn't do it nearly as well as we should have. Definitely did that one better. And of course, putting the strings on here was definitely a problem. So whatever episode that was, episode 4 I think, when I had that much trouble with these strings to begin with. Yeah, so it turns out episode 4 was kind of a waste of time. So make sure you get everything set up before you put the stupid grid on. But anyways, I'm pretty gassed. Next episode, I think we should be able to plant something. I think we're going to plant lettuce seeds, radish seeds, and carrot seeds. So those things, oh, maybe spinach. I think those things should be okay with the weather. And really, it was a good thing that we didn't plant it because, gosh, the last 2 days here have been really cold. So, yeah, I mean, I actually have some tomato plants, and I've been keeping them in the house because it's just too cold. All right, so anyways, see you next time. Thanks for dropping by. Be sure to join us for episode 7 coming up.
Be careful, kids. Bye.